Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So just imagine this for a second. What if hacking was as simple as watching Netflix?
Well, guess what? That world is already here, and this is how fast a breach can happen.
And no, this isn't science fiction. CrowdStrike actually timed a real-world attack at this machine speed.
So what's powering this insane speed? It's a new criminal business model, AI as a service.
You can think of it like a dark web superstore, a cybercrime factory that anyone can use.
And yeah, these are the actual products for sale. Illicit brands designed purely for attack.
This has totally changed the game. You don't need to be some elite hacker anymore.
And because of this, demand for AI jailbreaks has just exploded. We're talking up over 50%.
These tools automate everything, from hyper-realistic phishing scams to deepfake voices. It's wild.
So, where are we now? We've crossed the line in cybersecurity. It's called the AI Rubicon.
There's really no going back. The era of human speed defense, it's over. It's machine versus machine.
This reality brings us to a stark prediction about the immediate future of these machine speed attacks. Since it's now March 2026, this isn't some far-off warning anymore. It's a present danger. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.